And like
a rabbit. Did you hear that?
Rabbits.
Rabbits with antlers.
Yes. So we go into this bar. Now my friend is a hunter. Okay, he loves to hunt. We happen to be in a bar in DC that has all kinds of taxidermy on the walls. Now I've never seen such a thing in DC before. Outside of Ebbett's Grill, I guess. So he's pointing out different things on the wall. Different things. And funny enough, there's a deer butt that's hanging up. So you got the deer head, and then the other side of it was the deer butt. I think also there was a boar butt up there too. Pointing out all the taxidermy all over the place. All right, cool. I happen to look over in the corner, and there's this creature I have never seen before in my entire life. So I'm like, hey, that's a joke, right? What is that over in the corner? He was like, oh, that's a jackalope. I'm like, okay, yeah, that's a joke, right? That's just for tourists. That's like, you got all this other taxidermy. Let me just throw this thing in there. He's like, no, you've never seen a jackalope before? I was like, no, come on, it's not real. No way, that's not true at all. He's like, oh my God. He's like, it absolutely is. He's like, you're from Connecticut though, right? I'm like, yeah. He's like, yeah, they're not popular up in the Northeast or whatever. They're more a Midwest animal. That's why I know them. Okay, sure. He's like, no, I'm serious. He's like, honestly, just look it up. Go ahead, look it up on your phone. Take out my phone, and he's got me almost convinced because he's like totally telling me all this shit. That's like, oh, it's this, and eats this. It does okay. I take out my phone and I type in jackalope. First thing that comes up, mythical creature, blah blah blah. He was deadpan the whole time telling me this shit. He bursts out laughing like you would not believe. All I have to say, if you're listening to this, payback's a bitch. Just wait. We'll get you back.
So you know.
Just so you know.
Hit you where the jackalope hurts.
If you haven't seen a jackalope, look it up. It's supposed to be a rabbit that has antlers like a deer. And like
a rabbit. Did you hear that?
Rabbits.
Rabbits with antlers.
Yes. So, look, there have been some strange. I mean, let's just talk about the platypus for 2 seconds, okay?
Let's talk about what's under the ocean, which is why I don't go in the ocean.
But my point is just that he's the hunter. I was like, maybe I missed something in biology class.
Possible.